Best deals. 1. Kettle. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Paneer Maker. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the PANCA Paneer Maker ensures durability, hygiene, and rust resistance for long-term use in every Indian kitchen. This round paneer press is ideal for small to medium families to make fresh paneer at home without any hassle or mess. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Tadka Pan. Non-stick surface ensures quick and easy cooking, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Peeler. Features a sharp, durable, non-corrosive and anti-rust stainless steel blade, ensuring efficient and precise peeling of vegetables, minimizing the effort required to remove the skin from vegetables. The peeler comes with an ergonomically designed long handle with grooves that provides a strong and comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The peeler includes a transparent container that collects and stores vegetable skins while peeling. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Egg Storage Box. Conical groove in one egg per slot design makes every egg stay in place, no worry about collision or rolling around. The 3-layer egg rack each is able to store 30 eggs, and the top 2 layers can be turned over once each layer is used up, easy to get the eggs, and put them in. The durable fridge egg holder is equipped with 30 slots to protect each individual egg, holding more than 2 dozen eggs in so little space. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Apron. Shield yourself from spills and splashes with high-quality TPU material, ensuring a clean and mess-free cooking experience. Enjoy a tailored fit with the adjustable back waist strap, making this apron perfect for men and women of all sizes. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, cereals, pulses, tea, or coffee. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Frying Pan. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Comes with a sturdy glass lid to lock in moisture and flavors, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Wiper. Unique angle design for reaching nooks and corners, enables a swift pull action. Helps instantly dry floors with single swipe clean. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bowls. Crafted from high-grade, food-safe ceramic, these snack bowls are 100% non-toxic and lead-free, ensuring a safe and healthy dining experience for you and your family. Featuring a beautifully textured exterior with subtle ridges and a smooth, glossy finish, these bowls combine visual appeal with effortless cleaning. Built for everyday convenience. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Citrus Juicer Electric. Enjoy fresh juice every morning. The 180W copper motor uses less energy and is quieter than a traditional juicer machine, perfect for busy moms, Juice maker comes with cones for oranges, lemons, and pomegranates, making it easy to switch between fruits and ensure every juice is packed with nutrients. Simply plug in, press down the ergonomic handle, and enjoy a full glass of juice in less than 3 minutes. Busy moms will love the dishwasher-safe parts for quick and easy cleaning. Made from BPA-free plastic and 304 stainless steel, this orange juice maker ensures high hygiene standards and long-lasting durability. Includes 2 pulp filters for smooth, delicious juice every time. Operating at just 73 decibels, this fruit juicer machine is as quiet as an office, allowing for peaceful juicing. The drip stop spout and 500 ml container prevent messes, making it reliable for daily use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Toilet paper holder. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mold. Is simple to operate, just spread the dough, put the filling, and then put them into the petals, press the base to close the petals. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Toaster. Designed to make your breakfast routine easier, toaster ensures you never have to skip breakfast, even on busy mornings. Simply place the slices of bread into the toaster, and within minutes. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Saucepan. This essential kitchen centerpiece redefines everyday cooking, making it an indispensable tool for health-conscious individuals and gourmet enthusiasts alike. Write a 8,000 words paragraph on ceramic saucepan with lid, 19 cm diameter, 1.9 liter capacity, no chemical coating, heavy bottom, fast heating, gas and induction oven compatible, milk tea pan, boiling. Redview Alte Culinary Landscape demands vessels that harmonize uncompromising safety with unparalleled performance, a requirement perfectly met by the ceramic saucepan with lid. This essential kitchen centerpiece redefines everyday cooking, making it an indispensable tool for health-conscious individuals and gourmet enthusiasts alike. The rise of chemical-free ceramic cookware in the modern era of culinary arts, the dialogue around kitchen safety and material health has never been more prominent. For decades, traditional non-stick surfaces dominated the market, offering the convenience of effortless food release and easy cleanup. However, the discovery that these conventional surfaces relied on synthetic compounds such as PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE sparked a massive shift in consumer consciousness. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric Atta Kneader. 650 watts power ensures quick and efficient performance as an atta maker machine for home use. 3F stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity to prepare dough for family-sized meals, making it the perfect flour kneading machine. 15-minute timer for automatic operation, providing consistent results with every use as a reliable atta kneader. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Skimmer spoon. Generous size perfect for deep frying, pasta cooking, and large batch preparation. Natural. Wooden handle stays cool during use and provides comfortable, secure grip even with wet hands. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Teapot. Premium grade stainless steel construction ensures this teapot won't break easily. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2 liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily, and your tea will end up exactly where you want to pour it. Moreover, you will enjoy your tea mess-free and spill-free. A cool touch handle enables you to use your teapot safely. The handle stays cool even with hot tea in the pot and makes it easier to grip. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kadhai. Is crafted with the PFOA-free non-stick coating shielded by stainless steel ridges. This allows you to use metal spatulas without causing damage and also ensures less wear and tear, ultimately extending the lifespan of your kadhai. The extra thick 3 mm tri-ply construction ensures superior heat retention and even cooking. The Stay Cool rosewood handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, even when the kadhai is hot. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Square tawa provides a larger cooking surface area compared to round tawas, allowing to cook larger ingredients like fillets of fish or long vegetables. Square shapes fit better on stovetops, ideal for those with limited kitchen space. The square shape with its corners allows for easier access when flipping or stirring food, especially useful for dishes that require frequent turning. The square shape adds a unique aesthetic appeal to dishes. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Burger Press. Crafted from 100% food grade, rust-proof 304 stainless steel, patty maker is engineered for lifelong durability. Unlike fragile plastic molds, a heavy-duty metal press ensures maximum food safety and professional-grade performance in any Indian kitchen. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Electric Coffee Grinder. Grind enough beans for multiple cups without constant refilling. Ideal for personal use, entertaining friends, or outdoor brewing while camping or at the office. Durable ceramic burrs stay sharper longer, produce less heat than metal blades, and preserve the natural aroma and flavor of coffee, spices, and herbs. Detachable components are water washable, and a bonus cleaning brush is included for hassle-free maintenance, keeping your grinder fresh and ready for the next brew. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Vegetable Cutter. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades ensure quick, precise cuts for professional quality results in seconds. Elevate your culinary skills effortlessly. Crafted from BPA-free premium materials, our chopper guarantees safe and hygienic food preparation, letting you cook with confidence. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Ice Cube Tray. Is made of PP material, which could be used for a long time without being broken because it is long-lasting. Create cylinder-shaped ice that fits in bottles, 10 tubes per tray. This ice cube tray is made of PP material, which could be used for a long time. It's durable and safe to use. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Container. The circular see-through lid offers an airtight seal that locks in freshness and prevents contamination, while allowing you to easily identify contents without opening the container. The smart square shape allows efficient stacking and organized storage. Ideal for cabinets, shelves, and countertops. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Hangers. Is made from high-quality materials that are rust-resistant, making it durable and long-lasting. The hanger will maintain its appearance and functionality even after years of use. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Electric Roti Maker. Features high-quality non-stick plates that ensure smooth and even cooking without the dough sticking. This makes rolling and cooking rotis, dosa, chapatis, tortilla and parathas hassle-free, while also making cleanup quick and easy. Enjoy perfectly round and evenly cooked flatbreads every time with minimal effort. Automatic temperature control and indicator lights. Equipped with an optimal temperature control system, this electric roti maker heats up quickly and maintains the right temperature for consistent cooking. The built-in indicator lights of fully automatic roti maker machine let you know when the appliance is ready to use, preventing overheating and ensuring perfectly cooked rotis, dosa, pizzas, crepes, sandwiches, and more. Designed for modern kitchens, the Libra Electric Roti Maker Automatic features a sleek, compact design that saves valuable counter space. Despite its space-saving build, it offers an 8.5-inch diameter cooking plate, making it perfect for preparing large-sized rotis, dosa, chapati, pancakes, and more. Its lightweight construction also makes it easy to store and carry. User-friendly features for safety and convenience, with cool touch handles for a firm grip, non-slip feet for stability, and an automatic shut-off function. This Roti Maker Electric ensures a safe and seamless cooking experience. The long power cable of Roti Maker Machine Electric offers flexible placement in your kitchen, while the easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance effortless. Versatile cooking with 950W power, designed for efficiency, the 950W heating element of Roti Machine ensures fast and uniform cooking, making it suitable for a variety of dishes. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Organizer. This 3-pair sneaker rack for home is amazing and comes transparent for keeping your shoes organized. The elegant front door can be easily opened and closed. The transparent design allows your shoes to be displayed and find the right shoes easily without opening all the boxes. Perfect for sneakers, flats, flip-flops, sandals, sports shoes, loafers, and wedges. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Cutting board. Is BPA free and can be in direct contact with food, healthy and safe. Board set comes in 3 colors for aesthetic appeal in a convenient triangle hanging hole so you can store neatly, in 3 different sizes for 3 different users, meat cutting board, vegetable, melon fruit, and reversible use. The surface of the cutting board is frosted, and the 4-corner arc design makes it feel good. Product link is given in the 29th link.